A holster wedge can make a huge difference in the comfort and concealment of carrying a gun. But if you do it wrong, it could actually make your concealment worse. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up your holster wedge for the best comfort and concealment. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection Training, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below so that we can get this training past the algorithm. Our sponsor for today's video is Locked In Grip Liquid Shooting Chalk. Locked In Grip keeps your hands free of moisture while providing a great connection to your firearm during training. I tend to get sweaty hands when I train, which causes me to get a blister right here. Locked In Grip makes a huge difference in my connection to the gun, and I never go to the range without it. Check them out at lockedingrip.com. A holster wedge is designed to help with two things: concealment and comfort. This may sound simple, but it can actually be pretty complicated. First, let's talk about concealment. The way that a holster wedge helps with concealment is by changing the angle of your gun and holster to keep it as close to your body as possible. This helps keep the gun from printing. Now, this really depends on your body type, but for most people, the challenge with concealment is that either the top of the gun sticks out from the body or the grip of the gun sticks out. Both can usually be solved or at least helped a lot with a holster wedge. If the gun pushes away from the body at the top of the holster, then having a wedge at the bottom will push the barrel away from the body, causing the top of the gun to come in towards the body.
Okay. All right.
If the challenge is that the grip is challenging to conceal, then placing the wedge towards the slide of the gun will cause the grip of the gun to move closer into the body. Let's talk about the biggest mistake that you can make for comfort with your holster wedge.
Big mistake. Big. Huge.
But before we get to that, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find a better way to conceal your gun, then I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. I like to think of it as everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. One big mistake that I see people make all the time is to put the holster wedge in the middle of the holster or even just further down closer to the edge of the holster.
If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
This is not actually the best place for comfort. The challenge with appendix carry is that when you sit down or move around, the edge of your holster can rub up against your body.
It's true.
The best way to fix this is to set up your wedge so that it hangs off of the edge of your holster a little bit. This makes sure that the hard edges of your holster are totally covered and padded so that the wedge keeps the holster from rubbing up against your body. And now that you know where to place your wedge to conceal your grip and to make your holster more comfortable, you're ready to install your holster wedge. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons down below. To see how to make your own holster wedge, then click this video, or to watch me install the PHLster Enigma Wedge Kit, then click this video. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.